Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change time zone in TradingView mobile. So let's get straight into it. Now you need to be logged in into your app, and yeah, now at the bottom you will see here watch list and then a chart. So click on the chart and now search for this button right over here at the bottom right corner, just below this line that you see 60, 50, 40, 30, and then is the button right over here. Click on it. Sorry, I will just need to code it. Hit it like so. It will open up this pop-up window and scroll down to the more settings. Now again scroll down and you will see time scale here and the data format, time hours format. So you can change these settings and you can play a little bit with that, and when you are happy with it just click OK and the time zone will be uh, changed for you. So this is basically how you can do that. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.